Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be taste testing the Deliciou plant-based chicken mix. And this is it. I've made this before when I made my vegan chicken pot pie, but I never got to taste it, as itself in a chicken nugget form. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. So it has 20 grams of protein, no soy for people who are allergic to soy or just don't like it. You just add water and oil to it. You can add seasonings if you want, and you can mold it into chicken patties. You can use it as a ground to make chicken tacos, nuggets, chicken meatballs, kebabs. You can do a lot of stuff with this. And this seems pretty clean to me because it has no added salt or preservatives like a lot of other, processed food does. It's a very simple recipe. I got this from their website, and these boxes are $10. So I'm going to let you know if it's worth it or not.
So I'm adding the chicken mix into a bowl, getting all that good stuff in there. I'm adding 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of oil. You can use any oil, but I use avocado oil. And I'm sprinkling in some garlic powder, some sea salt, a little bit of Italian seasoning, and a few cracks of black pepper. And as you can see, you're just going to mold it into little chicken nugget shapes like this. I have me about 1.5 cups of breadcrumbs, and I'm going to season this with some sea salt and black pepper. And I also have about 1.5 cups of unsweetened almond milk, and it's very simple. I'm just dipping the nugget mixture into the almond milk and then into the breadcrumbs. I just repeat this. Next, I'm adding my nuggets into my preheated deep fryer, and I just fried these at 350 until they were golden brown. Didn't take long at all.
They definitely look like chicken nuggets. Smell like chicken nuggets. They're nice and golden brown. I'm gonna get some ketchup. Oh. I hate when the ketchup farts like that. Okay, so I'm going to try one. Just look at the shape though. Let's appreciate this beautiful chicken nugget shape. It looks like one. Nobody would be able to tell that it's a vegan chicken nugget at all. Time to taste it. So it tastes like a chicken nugget, but the meat inside is, I guess, lighter in texture, if you know what I mean. And I'm going to show you the inside. So it looks like chicken. It's like someone took chicken and then shredded it up and formed it into the chicken patty shapes, chicken nugget shapes. It tastes like a chicken nugget. The texture is not 100% like a chicken nugget. I can see kids liking this. I like it. It's really good. I do think it's worth it. I would buy them again. Without the seasoning, it does have a chicken flavor, so you don't have to season it, but I like to add the garlic powder and the onion powder. I think it tastes much better that way and more true to a chicken nugget, how they normally taste. It's really good. I do think that vegan chicken nuggets like the Boca chicken nuggets, which are really good, and the Morningstar has, they have vegan nuggets too. A lot of them have egg whites in it, but they have vegan nuggets. And Simple Truth has vegan chicken tenders. I think that the texture of those are more like chicken nuggets. Like, it tastes like exactly like it. These, it tastes like it, but not exactly. It's like a lighter version of it. You have to try it to understand it. It's kind of like jackfruit, how you can recreate chicken, but it doesn't taste exactly like chicken because it's lighter, but it still works and it still tastes really good. That's how these are. That works for a lot of people because they still taste delicious, and some people who are vegan or vegetarian get freaked out when their vegan meats taste exactly or too much like meat. So this can work. So I would rate these nuggets a 7 out of 10 because they're pretty good, but it doesn't taste exactly like chicken, but it still works. It still tastes, you still get that chicken feel from it. So that being said, I will give these a thumbs up. And also, it's really versatile just as a whole. I'm really just judging it off of its chicken nuggets, but when I make the chicken pot pie, I'll link that video above. It did taste exactly like chicken in it. And when you use it as a ground and make it and do other things with it, it's more true to the chicken texture and flavor. But overall, it was really good. I'm gonna finish the rest of these nuggets. Okay. Bye guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.